Hey guys, Jesse here. I want to do a quick video on the KIOTI CS2220hst. This is one of our best sellers amongst homeowners, contractors, somebody who wants something that can do a lot of work for a good price. So she's small but mighty. So we'll start at the front here. You got comes equipped with the loader, SL2420 loader, which is capable of lifting 1,062 pounds to a maximum lift height of 73 inches. Also comes with a skid steer quick attach bucket. That bucket's 48 inches wide. And this tractor is powered by a 29 horsepower diesel 3-cylinder Daedong engine. Got a really nice operator station, lots of room, very nice. It's got a lit dash there, tilt steering. It's also got cruise control, power steering, I think I already mentioned that. High-low range, hydrostatic. So you get high-low, dual pedal. This tractor also comes equipped with a rear PTO as well as a mid PTO. And on this one, the customer added a 60-inch mid-mount mower deck. You can also get a 54-inch as well. Comes with a full Category 1 3-point hitch on the back. So you can add any sort of rear implement, box blade, rear tiller, rear blower, anything. It's also got, it comes standard with a, just pan down here. There's a deck height adjustment, so you can adjust the height on the fly. For mowing, this tractor is a good little workhorse. You can also add a front mount blower that would run off the mid PTO as well, or a backhoe. Possibilities are endless. So, thanks for watching.